how to fix Car Dealer Simulator is crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click on the game in your library, open up the properties, and then go to the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for it to finish. And once this is done, you want to go back to the General tab, and in Launch Options box, you want to add this command if it doesn't exist, which is -dx11, and you can close from Steam like after typing the command. And then you will need to open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on this first Microsoft link and then scroll down to this table and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version of these redistributables. And when you finish installing or repairing them, it will ask you to restart your system. Before you do that, you will also need to make sure that you have the latest graphics card updates installed. So for NVIDIA graphics cards, you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to the drivers tab, and from here download and install the latest game ready driver. And if you have an integrated GPU, you will need to look up your computer or laptop model, for example HP 15S followed by driver like this, and then click on the manufacturer website, select your version of the operating system, and it should give you all the available drivers, including drivers for graphics card. And then you can download and install the latest versions from here. And once you do that, you can proceed to restart your computer. And after the restart, you will need to open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you should be able to launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.